Hey, 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 what's happening? Quake here, Chemist America Lifestyle with my baby Quamy. Alright, today what we're gonna do is adjust this, I don't know what the name of this one, this bottom one. Yeah, adjust it because when you buy it from the box, it's set up for an infant. So that's why we need to adjust it. So like what she's doing right now. All right, there you go. Yeah, right on cue, Kwame. Yeah, I want you to try it out, and then you're here. All right, my baby Kwame. There you go. So like I said, this bottom thing is set up for an infant, so it's too short. So just let's try it out first, right, Kwame? Let's try it out. Let's try it out so we could show them. There you go. There you go. And there you go. 5-point contact. There you go. Because she's now. There you go. Now that's what we're gonna talk about right now. How to adjust this one. All right. Okay. So that's one. Then we got this one. All right. Let's take you out. If you want to take it out. All right. So there you go, Kwame. Here we go. We're gonna set up the second one, alright? Because I already did this one, so I already got it. I already figured it out. Alright, so alright, when you got out of the box. Yes, Kwame? You wanna play with my microphone? It's my microphone. My baby. I'll just play with somebody. Alright, so here's JJ. Hey, JJ. Okay, play with JJ. Alright, let's take out the label. Okay, you can play with the packaging and everything, alright? There you go, we got this one from Target, 149. And then because we buy our milk in Target too, we got a $10 off in each, so it's a good thing. And there you go. What we need to do is take off the infant padding because you no longer need that one, right? She's big. She's a big baby now, so there you go. That's what I'm talking about. So it's too small. It's too short. This thing on the bottom that's a locks in. It's too short. It's for infant. And she's a big girl now. All right. So first things first. To take out. There's a something on the bottom. Take out the cup holder. There you go. There's a thing. You pull it and then take it out. Oh, Kwame, what happened to this one? He got out. All right, let's put it back. There you go. And then we need to take this out. Kwame, you need to take this out. And then there you go. There's this metal thing that's holding it. So take that out. There you go. And then you need to make it sideways. Kwame, make it sideways and push it in the bottom. And let's take this out. There you go. From the bottom, you just need to get it out of there like this. Kwame. There you go. Just keep on playing, Kwame. Tata is doing a video. There you go. I got it out. And now I need to take it out. There you go. I got it. Just make sure the red facing you, alright? So put it on the second slot. There you go, and lock it in place. There you go. There you go, Quamy. And put it on the second slot on the cushioning thing. And then, there you go, Quamy. You got the second one. There you go. Now it's in the second position, and it's a little bit longer. Now let's put back your there you go. Quamy, try this one. Try the new one. Quamy. Come on. You already tried that one. Come on, try this one. There you go, Quamy. Now let's try this one, Quamy. Can we try this one, Quamy? Come on. Come on, right here. Let's try the 5-point contact. 5-point. What happened? I think it's still locked in the bottom. There you go, Quamy. This thing right there. Good job, Quamy. Good job. There you go. You want to get out now? You want to get out? All right. You got to get out. All right, so there you go. Okay. There you go. Good job, Quamy. Good job, Quamy. There you go. Sana, I hope it helped. It helped on those new daddies like me on how to do it. All right, so let's turn the camera. There you go, Quamy. Yan na. Yan ang ginawa natin. Diba? I adjusted it. Yeah. There you go. And the next video is we're gonna try it out on the car. Alright? Quamy, say bye-bye, Quamy. Quamy, say bye-bye. She's busy. Alright, so alright, like I said, we're gonna finish this one in the next video on how to install it in our car. Alright, bye, see you in the next one. Peace. Quamy out.